So here we're going to check out a simple but effective and useful product. This is a sunglass holder for your car visor. Now, it will work with most any vehicle. I'm using it in my Crown Victoria, and I need driving glasses for nighttime, prescription, and a host of sunglasses for daytime driving. So this helps keep it within reach, visibility, and out of the way, protected from scratches and bumps. Now, you could keep it in the case, but we all know that we forget to put them on when we get in the car. Then we don't need to go fumbling for a case. And if they're within reach while you're driving, while you're at a stoplight, it's so much more convenient. Now, the magnets are pretty powerful. There's enough space for 2 glasses on each clip. That's how it's designed. It's never fallen or loosened even with New York City potholes. So you're good to go with this sunglass holder. Simple, easy, and effective. Put it in your cart. Buy with confidence.